Hi, welcome to KlinKode PayRules tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to disable any payment methods for specific postal or zip code at Shopify checkout using PayRules. In this video, we use cash on delivery as an example. First, navigate to the All Rules page of our app. Here you can manage all your payment rules. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Now select Postal or Zip Code. We will specify a zip code in the Condition section and retain the If Found block. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Now go to the Payment Methods section and click on the Add or Type a New Payment Method button, then select Cash on Delivery. Finally, click on the Save button. Let's take an example where we want to hide the cash on delivery payment method for orders from specific zip codes. We'll start by checking the checkout page currently. Cash on delivery appears as an option at checkout. Now, let's change the zip code to one specified in our rule. As expected, after updating the zip code, cash on delivery option no longer appears on the checkout page. That's it. Simple way to manage payment methods with PayRules. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!